guys, we've got another new product, which is the Clearview oil dipstick. So you can see it's a metal type dipstick, so it's dead easy to insert and get out, unlike the original. And also it's got the chamfers on the end there, so obviously it grips on the oil and gives you a more accurate reading than the original. So we'll just demonstrate on this. So we'll just clean that off first of all. So you can see there it's pretty clean. I'll dip the oil. So you can see there it's full, and then that side there's nothing. Where is the actual level on that? So we'll show you on the new one. Obviously with the R56 is suffering of oil problem, it's fairly critical to get this right. So we'll just dip in the new one. You can see on that one there, dead straightforward up to there, and it's dead clear where the oil level is. So I'll just demonstrate once more. And again, so you can see there, it's hard to get on the video, but you can see exactly where the lines are and where the oil level is quite clearly. So there you go, you can get these on our website www.kilochrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing, etc. Till next time.